This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. Today is July 22nd. Zoom is bolstering its privacy and security protections by expanding end-to-end encryption (E2EE) to more of its services. First up is Zoom Phone, its cloud phone system. Users of that service will be able to switch on E2EE during one-on-one calls. When it's on, E2EE will ensure calls are secure with cryptographic keys that only the calling and receiving devices can access. You'll be able to verify the E2EE status by sharing a security code with the other person. At the moment, it's only possible to enable E2EE on Zoom Phone for calls between users on the same company Zoom account. They'll need to be on the Zoom Phone desktop or mobile app and switch off automatic call recording. Account owners or admins will need to enable E2EE via a web portal before their users can activate it on calls. In addition, E2EE will soon be available in breakout rooms, smaller discussions that break off from group meetings. Each breakout room can have its own encryption key. Again, account owners or admins will need to enable E2EE for their users. Zoom started rolling out E2EE for meetings in October 2020, a few months after the company took off amid the COVID-19 pandemic and the trend of uninvited guests Zoom bombing calls emerged. Zoom initially planned to limit E2EE to paid accounts, but it relented after a backlash and offered it to everyone. And General Motors has been putting its OnStar in-vehicle safety and security suite into its vehicles since 1997, with the system having undergone numerous evolutions, upgrades, and expansions in the last quarter century. Soon, its roadside assistance and crash monitoring services will be available to two-wheeled motorists and homebodies as well, the company announced on Thursday. As part of a modernizing redesign, OnStar is making its Guardian crash monitoring and roadside assistance features available to motorcyclists. The service will rely on the accelerometer and other sensors in the rider's cell phone to determine if a crash has occurred, rather than using the vehicle's sensor suite as would happen in an automobile wreck, but otherwise is identical to the existing triage and response process. The roadside assistance will include jump starts, gas deliveries, and flatbed tows. The company is also expanding its Alexa integration, which GM began testing last year with select OnStar subscribers. Like having a red telephone to 911, this service will immediately connect members to an OnStar emergency certified advisor through their Alexa connected device in scenarios where members need to call for help, hands-free, and time is of the essence. Today, that Alexa skill is available to every U.S. OnStar subscriber. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.
Spoken Layer.